Welcome, everyone. We're here today to talk about building an empire. Not just any empire, but one that is powered by business credit. If you're looking to get a fresh start or build your business credit, then you're in the right place. Business credit is the lifeblood of every successful empire. It fuels growth, supports expansion, and provides a safety net during tough times. It's the key to unlocking the door to opportunities that cash flow alone can't open. Now, you might be wondering, how do I build business credit? Well, that's where legitpin.com comes in. We offer a comprehensive business credit package that's designed to help you build your business credit from the ground up. Our package is not just a product, it's a solution. It's a roadmap to financial freedom and business success. It's designed to help you navigate the complex world of business credit, providing you with the tools and resources you need to build a solid credit foundation. By choosing legitpin.com, you're not just buying a package, you're investing in your future. You're taking the first step towards building your empire. So, are you ready to unleash the power of business credit? Join us at legitpin.com and let's start building your empire together.